Welcome back to Discovery Dispatch. Today, we're taking a rapid journey through some of the most fascinating and surprising discoveries in science. These are the kind of things that make you stop and think, wait, how does that actually work? Let's find out. Fact 1. Your brain cleans itself. Did you know your brain actively cleans itself while you sleep? During the day, your brain cells produce waste, proteins and byproducts that build up as neurons fire and process information. So what happens to all that waste? At night, a system called the glymphatic system activates. It pumps cerebral fluid through the brain, flushing out toxins and clearing space between cells. This process is so effective during sleep that brain activity actually slows down to make room for it. Which means sleep isn't just rest. It's when your brain takes out the trash. But if that's happening inside us every night, what about this space around us? Fact 2. We can hear space. Did you know scientists have actually heard space? We often say space is silent, and that's true in the traditional sense because there's no air for sound waves to travel through. But space isn't completely empty. In regions filled with hot gas and plasma, pressure waves can still move, similar to sound waves. For example, in galaxy clusters, enormous waves ripple through gas over thousands of light years. We can't hear them directly, but when scientists convert those signals into frequencies our ears can detect, space produces deep, haunting tones. And if something as vast as space can carry hidden signals, what about something as solid as our own bodies? Fact 3. Your skeleton rebuilds itself. Did you know your skeleton is constantly rebuilding itself? Bone might seem solid and permanent, but it's actually living tissue. Your body is always breaking down old bone and replacing it with new material in a process called remodeling. This helps repair tiny fractures, adjust to physical stress, and regulate minerals like calcium in your blood. Over time, much of your skeleton is gradually renewed, so the bones you have today have been quietly reshaped over the years. But if our bodies are constantly changing, what about the structure of the universe itself? Fact 4. We can detect ripples in reality. Did you know we've detected ripples in the fabric of the universe itself? These are called gravitational waves. According to physics, space and time are part of a single structure called spacetime. When massive objects like black holes collide, they send out waves through this structure, stretching and compressing space as they travel. By the time those waves reach Earth, the effect is incredibly tiny. Yet instruments like LIGO can detect changes smaller than the width of a proton, which means we're not just observing distant events anymore, we're detecting the motion of the universe itself. But if even space-time isn't perfectly stable, what's happening at the smallest level inside us? Fact 5. Your DNA is under constant attack. Did you know your DNA is constantly being damaged? Every day, your cells face thousands of tiny disruptions, from natural radiation, chemical reactions, and even normal metabolism. These can break strands of DNA or alter their structure. So why don't these errors accumulate? Because your body has highly efficient repair systems that scan and fix damage almost continuously. Without them, cells wouldn't function properly. In a way, your survival depends on a constant, invisible repair process happening inside every cell. And if that's happening at the microscopic level, what about deep inside our planet?
Fact 6. Earth stores water deep inside itself. Did you know Earth may store vast amounts of water deep within its interior? Not as underground lakes or oceans, but locked inside minerals in the mantle. Deep below the surface, extreme pressure forces water molecules into the crystal structure of rocks. One mineral in particular, called ringwoodite, can trap significant amounts of water this way. Some of this water may date back to Earth's formation, while some may have been carried downward through tectonic processes. In total, this hidden reservoir could rival the amount of water in all the oceans on the surface. So Earth's water cycle might extend far deeper than we ever imagined. But if even our planet holds hidden systems like this, what about the way our own minds store information?
Let's find out.
Fact 7. Your memories are not fixed. Did you know your memories are not stored as fixed recordings? Every time you recall something, your brain reconstructs the memory from different pieces. And during that process, it can subtly change. New information, emotions, or even suggestions can alter how the memory is stored again. This is called memory reconsolidation. It helps the brain stay flexible and adapt, but it also means memories are not perfect records of the past. They're constantly being rewritten. And if even our memories are not as stable as we think, is anything in physics truly fixed? Fact 8. The coldest possible temperature. Did you know there's a lowest possible temperature in the universe? It's called absolute zero. This is the point where particles have the minimum possible energy and motion. In theory, everything would come to a complete stop. Scientists have managed to cool materials extremely close to this point, just fractions of a degree above it. But reaching absolute zero exactly may be impossible. And if even temperature has a hard limit, what about something we rely on every single day, like direction? Fact 9. Earth's magnetic field is not permanent. Did you know Earth's magnetic field doesn't stay the same forever? It's generated by the movement of molten metal in Earth's outer core. But over long periods, this system can become unstable. When that happens, the magnetic poles can flip. North becomes south, and south becomes north. This has happened many times throughout Earth's history. A reversal doesn't happen overnight, but during the transition, the magnetic field can weaken, which could expose the planet to more solar radiation and affect satellites and technology. So even something as stable as north isn't permanent. And if even our sense of direction can change over time, what about the very air we depend on? Fact 10. The ocean produces most of our oxygen. Did you know most of the oxygen you're breathing right now didn't come from trees? It actually comes from the ocean. Tiny organisms called phytoplankton, microscopic plant-like life floating near the ocean surface, perform photosynthesis, just like plants on land. But because the oceans cover over 70% of Earth's surface, their combined output is enormous. In fact, phytoplankton are responsible for producing around half, and possibly even more, of the oxygen in our atmosphere. They absorb carbon dioxide, use sunlight as energy, and release oxygen as a byproduct, which means every second breath you take may have come from the ocean. And yet these organisms are so small, we can't even see them individually. So the next time you think about where your air comes from, it might not be the forest, it might be the sea. So those are just a few of the incredible processes happening all around us, inside your body, deep within our planet, and across the universe itself. And the most fascinating part? We're only just beginning to understand how all of it works. Thanks for joining us on Discovery Dispatch. If you enjoyed this format, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us bring you more content like this, and we'd love to hear from you. Which fact surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. And until next time, we keep discovering.